We are pleased to show you the 2019 A7. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, wireless charging station, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, refrigerated storage, audio digital sound processing, Audi Connect satellite communications. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.